My name is Alex Ryden.
Bryce Munn.
Oliver Shea.
My name is Mila.
Here at McKim Creed, I'm an electrical engineering intern.
I'm an AI specialist intern here.
Land development, so the PD&R.
I am with the Raleigh McKim Creed office, primarily with mechanical.
Working at McKim Creed this summer has really sparked my curiosity.
A lot of the stuff I've learned so far, I've not been taught in school. Really get to see how an engineering company actually works.
McKim Creed has helped me grow in a variety of ways, I think. This internship is giving me more information that I can't exactly learn in a classroom.
This summer, the IT team has done a really good job at letting me take ownership of my own project.
I'm glad that they didn't just stick me in a cubicle or have me just go run simple orders. So I'm actually being involved on multiple projects.
We're able to see how all of these MEP and architectural and all of the fields kind of come together to become one large-scale project that we are happy to be producing for our communities.
It's given me a window into a possibility that I can take my engineering career towards.
I would say up until this internship, I was a little bit nervous for graduation and not quite sure what I wanted to do after college, but this has definitely motivated me for when I go back to school this fall to learn as much as I can and look forward to doing this after college.
Being able to get that experience, I mean, is definitely going to help me in the long run.